Hi guys, this is Dr. Lassane, and there have been so many questions about Blackboard and modules. I thought I might do a short screencast just to show you what's here. I have logged into Blackboard, and if my cursor will work, I'm going to come down here to modules, and I'm going to click on modules, and I know you've all seen this already, but just in case, you can see that there are 5 modules for the course. They are the reading autobiography, which many of you have done already, the social network activities, the textbook reflections, your blogging about books, and then the final is the TK20 assignment. So let's come up here to the first assignment that's due. Notice that I have a slightly different view here because I have my editing turned on just in case I discover some kind of error. Here's Module 1. And Module 1 talks about the reading autobiography, and it gives you a couple of examples, my Padlet and Dr. Perry's sketch note reading autobiography. And here in the middle is a link to my Padlet. Sorry about that. But if you look here, this is a link. And if you click on the link, there is how you can upload your assignment. You just go here, it tells you when it's due, and of course, it was due yesterday, but for some folks, we're going ahead and extending that deadline. It gives you an opportunity to either write the submission online, which I really do not suggest you do, or to browse your computer, or to enter in any kind of a link that you want to give me, and then a place to submit. And that's how it's going to work for all the modules. If you look at them, you'll see the assignment link is in there. It looks a little different, and I'm really kind of sorry about that, but in part it looks a little different because of the redesign of Blackboard, and I don't have a whole lot to do about that. So if you look at Module 2 and you come in here, you'll see social networking. Click on that link. There's where you submit your assignment. You can see when it's due, which is very late in the semester because you have a lot still to do. How many points is possible? There's the place where you pick up your file and you add it to this particular module. The assignments then come to me through Blackboard the way they normally would. So for every module, you're going to find that link. And I didn't mean for it to be that difficult for you, but this is kind of sort of the way it's going to be from now on. So here's where you would submit your first 5 textbook reflections, 6 through 10, and then 11 through the end. There are 3 different links for you to do that. So as you go into each module, you're going to see an opportunity to submit work. It just is a little different looking than what you've been expected to, in the past, and it's kind of like, get used to it now because this is the way it's going to be. So here's where you would submit books, your blog URL for me to take me to the first 8 books, etc. Also understand that for the first 8 books, that's due in October. It's still quite a ways out, October 18th at midnight. Those are the first 8 books. Any books, no particular order, just follow the guidelines that are on your syllabus. So you're going to see this for each of the modules. You'll see a link in there that will lead you to where you should put the final, the assignments that you're working on. Here's the one for TK20, and it will take you right there. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. Several people had kind of requested that I put in a discussion board, which I have for each and every one of the classes, so you can talk amongst yourselves. But remember, the best way to reach me is either through email, and you can use the send email link right here, or you can email me at drl@shsu.edu, and it will get to me. Or you can leave me a message on the phone at the office, because that phone is forwarded to my home phone. So let me know how I can help you. And again, I hope that this kind of aids you in finding what you need to find at Blackboard. Don't forget, when you have the time, please take the quick quiz. It's a 1-question quiz. It's just to make sure that you have logged in, that you are in the class, that you intend to participate. I still need to hear from a few people, and I'm kind of worried about you because you haven't checked in at all yet, and I don't know what's kind of going on. Let me also say, while I have about 10 seconds here, that you should be going to LiveBinder and viewing all of the screencasts. There's the link to LiveBinders. It's right here. and it will take you to livebinders.com. And then all you need is the access key, which is, LSSL 5385. I think I typed that in right. Yeah, I did. And there is all the information that you need here. And you're going to see screencasts. Please, please, please look at all those screencasts. They're going to help you do your assignment. They also go through the syllabus. They answer, I think, some questions in advance. So take a look at your LiveBinders link as well. Welcome to the class. I know it's been a rocky start with Hurricane Harvey, but I think that we're all going to survive and do well. And as I said, please let me hear from you if I can be of any help. Happy Thursday.